Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how to change the sky and make a reflection on the water. Now, these are the two images that we will use. Now press Command A or Ctrl A on PC and copy it. Now paste it here. Now press Command or Ctrl T to resize it. Now to see what you're doing, you can lower the opacity. You need to just above the mountains. Okay. Hit the Enter key. Now again with the lowered opacity, select the eraser. And just clear it out. Just above the mountain. Now increase the opacity. So we are ready with the sky. Now press Command J to duplicate the layer. Press Command T to resize, and now the height here we need to make it -100. We need to lower it just like this. Now get opacity down so that it's like a reflection. Now select the eraser again. And just clear out. This is finishing. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.